Hi guys, today I'm going to show you 3 quick and easy hairstyles perfect for New Year's Eve. To start, we're going to do a high curly messy bun. I've started with curly hair, but you can do this on straight hair and just curl the ends. I'm just popping some dry texture spray through the hair. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then I'm just going to leave a little bit of hair out at the front to frame the face, and do this on both sides of the head. Next, divide the hair in half straight across and pop that top half into a ponytail. Clip this on top of the head for later, and we're just going to repeat one more ponytail with the remaining hair. I've added some wax spray to the top of the head to control flyaways, and then I'm gently going to pinch and pull at the hair to create a little bit more texture. I've unravelled a bun donut, and I'm just going to cut a little piece in half to give me 2 sections, and I'm just going to ruche these up in my hand so it looks like a scrunchie. And then I'm simply going to tie it around that top ponytail just a couple of times. Secure each side to the head with a bobby pin, and then repeat the same steps on the bottom ponytail. So take your padding, twist it around the base of the ponytail a couple of times, and then secure with a few bobby pins. Starting with the top ponytail, I'm going to twist it all in one direction, then bring it up the left hand side and over the top to the right. Secure the left hand side to the padding with a bobby pin. With the right hand side, I'm going to take a little bit of hair out to leave a curl hanging down, and then pin the right hand side. And with the tail ends, I'm just going to sweep these up to cover the middle of the padding in between that little loop we've just created, and secure with a couple of bobby pins. Use your fingers to pinch and pull this little section of the bun apart for some more texture. With the bottom ponytail, I'm going to divide it in half, and with that top section again, I'm going to wrap it in one direction. I'm going to bring it up the right hand side and over to the left, but I'm going to make sure that I overlap it with the bun just above. Again, secure with a couple of bobby pins on the right hand side to that padding, and on the left hand side I'm going to leave another little bit of hair out, and with the rest of the hair we're going to pin this to the left hand side of the bun. Use your hand to spread the hair out at the bottom to help cover that padding. With the last piece of hair, again, I'm going to leave a little section out. With the rest of it, I'm going to twist it all in one direction. And this time I'm going to come up the left hand side again and bring it over to the right hand side of the bun. Secure both sides with a few bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. Moving on to hairstyle number 2, we've got an effortless loose bun. To start, I'm adding some volume powder to the crown of the hair. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then I've decided to give that crown area a slight back comb. If you don't like back combing, you can skip this step. Then just smooth out the top layer with the tip of your comb. And I'm going to gather that crown section to the back of the head in my hand. Give it one full turn towards the head to create a twist, and then secure with a bobby pin through the centre of that twist. pinch and pull to loosen everything up a little bit. Next, I'm going to take a slice of hair from the right hand side just behind the ear, and I'm going to bring this over to the left hand side of the head and then just give it a little twist at the end. Then secure it to the left hand side with a bobby pin through that little twist. Repeat on the left hand side, so take a slice of hair from behind the ear, bring it over to the right hand side and secure just under the other section. Divide the remaining hair in half and pop each one into a low ponytail. Add some dry texture spray all over your ponytails, and then I'm using a fork comb to gently tease the ponytail to give it more volume. You can use your fingers for this as well. Then twist everything in one direction, and I'm going to grab hold of the middle of the twist, bring the ends up to meet the elastic band to create a loop, and then just give your fingers a couple of twists at the top to create a figure of 8 shape. Hold this to the head and then secure all the way around that twist with as many bobby pins as needed. Then we're going to repeat the same steps on the left hand side. So tease your ponytail, twist it all in one direction, grab hold of the middle of the twists and bring the ends up to meet the elastic band to create a loop, and then just spin those top fingers a couple of times to create a figure of 8 shape. And then secure all the way around that little bun with as many bobby pins as needed. I pop a couple of bobby pins in the middle to push the buns closer together. And here's the finished look. And for the third and final hairstyle, I've got a 2-minute curly bun. I've started by curling the hair, but this doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're simply going to divide it in half straight across. Pop the top half into a ponytail and then just clip it on top of the head out of your way. Then gather the remaining hair and put it in another ponytail directly underneath the first one. So you should have 2 ponytails on top of each other. Now I'm going to add some dry texture spray to the curls and then some wax spray to the top of the head. I'll pop all the products I use in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair on top of the head for some more texture and volume. Taking hold of that top ponytail, twist it all in one direction, keeping it loose, and then pinch and pull for some more fullness. And we're going to take this over to the right hand side and over the top of that little elastic band. Hold it to the head and secure with as many bobby pins as needed, but make sure you leave the ends hanging out on the left hand side. Then take the bottom ponytail and we're going to do a simple 3-strand braid. Again, keep it nice and loose and don't tie it off with an elastic band. Use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the edge of each stitch of those braids. Again, this is just for some more volume and texture. And with this, we're going to bring it up to the left hand side and then bring the ends over to the right hand side. Use as many bobby pins as you need to secure this to the head, again leaving the ends hanging out on the right hand side. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which was your favourite hairstyle in the comment section below.